This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
The fuel filter is located in front of the right-hand rear road wheel. Slacken the drain screw and allow the fluid to drain from the filter. Using a strap wrench or similar, unscrew the filter from the housing. Be prepared for fuel spillage. Some models are fitted with a spin-on cartridge filter, whereas others are fitted with a renewable paper element. Where applicable, pull the paper element from the filter housing. Remove the O-ring seal from the housing. Clean the housing, then fit the new O-ring seal into the groove. Lubricate the seal with clean fuel, then press the new filter element firmly into the housing. Remove any dirt and debris, then refit the filter body and tighten it by hand until it contacts the housing. Then tighten it a further 1/2 to 3/4 of a turn. Tighten the drain screw securely.